Hey guys, welcome back. So today is episode 3 of learning Canva, and today I'm going to teach you very simple things. First one is like inspiration, second one is like typography. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the first one, which is inspiration. So for that I have one website. Okay, just go to Google, type design inspiration, and then go to the first website, which is www.designinspiration.com. So this is a website which inspire you. Like here you can see a lot of design by others or by AI, from which you get a lot of inspiration. Like let's type here logo. Okay, so if you type logo, you now see I have already shown you in my previous episode how to create a logo in Canva. But in case you want some inspiration, something in your mind, but you want to add up something else, then just go to the screen, type logo. Without sign up also you can see a lot of things here. So see, a lot of logo designs are here, which actually clicks when you see all these things. Okay, fine, I can get inspiration from this, from that, related to what exactly logo you want to create. So this is the first thing. Second thing, let's just type book cover. Let's say you need to create a book cover as part of your design. So when you click on book cover, you see a lot of inspiration. So this one looks great, this one also looks great. So a lot of things, actually everyone's choice is different. So as per everyone's choice, they have a lot of inspirations here. So see this one. So a lot of inspiration you get. It's like a Pinterest, but I feel it is even more than that. You get some new design, some modern design, some old school, some like ancient design, mythological, related to kids, related to the type of ideas you decide. You get everything here. So that's the second thing. Let's just type one more thing, which is called business card. See, when you type business card also, you get a lot of designs over here. So yeah, this website is really helpful. Do let me know if you already knew this in the comment box, or it is new for you. If it is new for you, I hope it helps. In this digital world, actually it's very important that you update yourself and create as many new designs and ideas as you can. So there is a lot of competition, so I hope this will help you a little bit. So now let's go to the second topic of today, which is typography. So for that I will show you from scratch, like how we can add, edit text, or type of text, and then how we can customize and everything, width, size, color, everything. So for that, from the home menu, let's go to the custom size, create new. You can see here. So when I click there, it is actually asking me for the customization, like what width I want, what height want, what unit I want, how I want to do it. So let's say it is 1820, and height I would say 1080. Sorry, it is 1920, and of course this one I want in pixel. So create a new design. Okay, now you see a template and everything comes here, but I will show you about a text, right? So let's jump to the text tab. So when you click on text tab, you see add a text box, add your brands, and also there are some default text styles. So if you come here, add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. So what kind of text you actually need to create, everything we can actually add as per your choice and idea. So if you come a little down, you can see a lot of recently used, which I have already used. So for you, it may not come for a new account. So then for the combination, you see a lot of designs down. So in case you don't want to waste time, and you can just pick any of this. So wherever this sign is coming, it's like it is only available for pro. This account is not a pro account, that's why I cannot use it. So for free account also, a lot of designs you can see over here, fresh designs. So it keep on changing actually. So every month it keep on changing, so you can see a lot of designs down. But for now, see, a lot, it's not even ending, lot. But for now I will show you about how you can create from scratch, right? So just add a heading. Okay, so this is a random text, so I am going to just write it like this. Okay, and then you can see the text is added, but it's like a normal text. Let's say I want to change the color of my text, the entire text. So what I can do, click on this A, text color, and then go down. You can see a lot of default colors are there. Let's say I click here, so now it is changed to pink. Okay, so now I just want to change the type of text. Okay, so just click on this font, and then you can select any font you want. Okay, let's say I use this. It's very simple. Once you select this, click on font, and then you can see a lot of font size here, font type here. Okay, recently used will not come for you, of course. So let's click on handwriting, and then you see a lot of handwriting text over here. So for now, let's change it to this. So after this, the next one, we changed already the font, we changed the color. Now I just want to change the alignment. Okay, now it is towards left, now middle, now it's towards right. So whatever alignment you want, you can just select and change it. Let's say I want to add as a list. So click on list. See, the bullet point already comes over here. Click one more time. You can see numbers are actually coming. So I don't want any bullet point, so I'll just click one more time, and this is gone. Okay, now effect. Okay, transparency also you can change. Okay, you can see the transparency is actually changing. Okay, for now let it be 100%. Click on effect. You can see a lot of effects are here. If you select any of this, you can see in the right side your text is actually changing. Click this, it will change. So can you see? Yeah, see, shape also it's changing however you want. Isn't it cool? Okay, neon, anything you can change actually. Let's say for now we will just change it to this. Okay, cool. So wherever you want, you can just place it. Okay, it's down, right, left, middle, center. Okay, so what else? Okay, so let's say I want to change everything to uppercase. So just click on uppercase, everything will change to uppercase. I want to change everything to lowercase, click it again. Yeah, everything changed. This one is strike through. Let's say you want to strike through a text. Yeah, done. Okay, so unselect. You want to underline, click, one underline will come. Click again, remove the underline. Let's say position, you want it on the top, left, middle. Just now I showed you, right? So yeah, center. Yeah, you can also change it from here. Width you want to change a little bit, just click on 300. Yeah, okay, click on 100. Yeah, just click on 500. Done. just click on duplicate. One more will be added to your screen. So to text, now you can just change this one to anything you want. Okay, this will help you to rotate. Okay, so click on animate. Okay, you can see a lot of text animation over here. Okay, so you can add any animation to your text also. This is a simple, slick, fun, anything you want. See, isn't it cool? Okay, so other than that, when I click on speed and everything, direction, the basic animation you can add anyways, but anything like speed or direction, you want a pro account, so we cannot do that for sure. But other than that, a lot of animations are here. Okay, one more thing I wanted to show you. This is spacing. Okay, and then when you click on spacing, see, can you see the spacing is changing between the text actually. Okay, and then when you see there are two lines, one is random, one is text. I click on line spacing also. However spacing you want, you can just adjust as per your choice. So yeah, that's all about typography in Canva. I hope you learned a lot today. Like if there is any doubt, you can always ask me through a comment. You can just drop a comment below and I will answer either in the comment of or in my next blog. So see you in my next class, guys. Do let me know if you are enjoying these conversations. I will come up with more interesting topics in Canva. Till then, please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and just like and share with whomever you feel it is helpful. So thank you so much.